Finding one's way through life is not easy. Challenges, pitfalls, and disappointment await. One can get through, especially with a little help from a few friends.
It feels good to be surrounded by ourselves, our people, our old custom way of living, Quebecer / Americanized / Asian side of town, where we can just be ourselves and be true, because it makes us a certain type of way, but we love it, man. We're all brothers. We know ourselves, we don't know, we're all brothers, so.
Humor can be a powerful observancy. Through social commentary and satire, comedy can help explain the unknown. The young collective of artists, known as the Haitian Food Gang, utilize comedic wit in biting remixes of popular rap songs to explore what life is like being Haitian in Montreal. We sit down with all members as they share their thoughts and experiences.
Tried to be funny, made a parody song about like one of our Haitian dishes, and then we're all together, and then with a cell phone video camera starting shooting with and being creative, and then just laughing, just being silly. And we just posted it on the internet. Next thing you know, it just goes viral out of nowhere, and we're just like, okay.
On est tous Haïtiens dans le quartier, donc we have no problem just growing up Haitian. And with our parents and with the background that they have, it's almost as if we were born in Haiti, but in Montreal. Yeah. We used to learn and to have 3 languages at home because we have cousins in the state, and at home we speak French and Creole. So growing up with that language barrier really doesn't exist for us. But growing up here, we still have the stigma of being a black kid. Tu pourrais être bien assimilé dans la société. You could be included in the society as much as you want. You're still gonna be a Haitian kid. You will not have the full privilege of everything. Yeah. You still have to be accepted.
I would say it's a little bit like an Americanish European side out here, since it's French.
Yeah. And we give it the island vibe.
Exactly. We got the island vibe to it. So if like we could feel somebody feel good out of just like, you know, going through our Instagram page or whatever, and then out of just like something funny, we're just like having a little smirk, at least a smirk behind their phone, their pad or whatsoever, that made our day. We were trying to make people laugh. We're trying to make Haitian people proud.
More family than friends, the Haitian Food Gang share an experience rooted in pride and, of course, laughter. It's an experience they share with the community.
Yeah! This is the main park right here, the Alex Carroll Park. This is where like our upbringing was made, the basketball court. If you're good, you come. If you're not good, you sit down and you watch.